Hey, welcome back, everyone. I hope all of you guys are having a beautiful day so far. I would like to feature some beginner work at home jobs. These are ideal for those that are just diving into the work at home atmosphere, whether you are a stay at home mom, a stay at home dad, teen that is at least 18 years of age, a retiree, college student, or freelancer. So keep watching to learn where you can find beginner work at home jobs. Hey, welcome. My name is Shay from DreamHomeBasedWork.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content posted on this channel. The first beginner work from home job is transcription. Now, transcription simply involves you listening to an audio file, then typing out what you hear. Transcribing is a learning curve, but I wanted to share some sites with you that will allow you to jump on and get started as a beginner. Focus Forward is a website you can check out for freelance transcription. You'll just need strong English skills, an updated computer, and attention to detail. This company allows you to choose the jobs and the projects that you want to work on, and also you can choose your own hours. To get started, I am sitting on their official website, and you will scroll down. You will be working as an independent contractor. You can choose the hours that you want to work. So you will go ahead and download the instructions and transcription program. You will download the audio file test that you will need to transcribe. Once you transcribe the test, you will need to check it twice, and then you will fill out the application form and upload that test. They will review your application and give you an answer within 48 hours. Another website that you guys can check out for beginner transcription work is CrowdSurf. Now, this company is always hiring new transcribers to turn audio into text. You will be able to work from home on your own schedule and at your own pace. You are paid per task, so the more you work, the more you earn. They accept transcribers from the US, Canada, and they also have a tab here for international jobs. If you've been having a problem landing a work from home job, then you should definitely update and optimize your resume. My new resume template bundle comes with templates that are already formatted and written out. They come with examples, so you will just simply swap out the information with your own. This bundle comes with 2 resume templates, cover letters, reference letter, as well as a thank you letter. I made sure to tailor these templates for beginners as well as those that have experience. Now, I'm sure many of you guys are wondering, why is my resume so important? It really does strengthen your chances of landing a remote job. So it was really important for me to make sure it was ready to be scanned through a hiring software called the Applicant Tracking System, better known as the ATS, which is a system that a lot of these companies are using to scan your resume and pick the next candidate for the job. So this bundle is only $19. Make sure you grab it today. It will definitely help you stand out among everyone else and land more remote jobs. The next beginner work from home job is translation. Now, you can work from home translating from one language to another. So if you are fluent in more than one language, this can be a beginner work from home option. A website that you can check out, translate.com, is always hiring translators to work from home. It is completely free to get started. You don't need to worry about paying any fee. You will be able to translate blog articles, social media posts, support tickets, and so much more. They will have steady work available for you, so this is open worldwide to everyone. The next company is ProZ. This company will allow you to create a profile as well, and you can begin accepting freelance clients. You can choose the hours that you want to work as well as set your own rate that you will charge these clients for translation work. So definitely check out the website to get started. The next beginner work from home job is a virtual assistant. Now, as a virtual assistant, you are handling a variety of tasks. One company you can check out is Persist. They are actively looking for a virtual assistant that is passionate about helping others with a great attitude and can figure things out on your own. You will need to be comfortable with technology, highly proficient with the internet, just using basic things like Google Docs, Calendar, and similar tools. So if you are interested in applying for a position with Persist, you will just simply email your resume to this email, recruiting@persist.com. The pay rate for these companies will vary depending on your experience level. The next company is Wing. They hire a virtual assistant to work from home, completing a variety of tasks like organizing documents and files, data entry work, researching projects, purchasing items online. This is a full-time remote virtual assistant positions. Another beginner work from home job, freelance writing. There are a lot of companies that are always looking for writers to work from home, regardless if you have writing experience or not. Textbroker allows you to have access to thousands of writing projects, so you can be able to earn the extra cash on the side. You will have the flexibility to log in and take on different projects. So definitely check out this website. It is open worldwide. Another website you guys can check out is Verblio. Now, they are always looking for people to write. This is a simple way to start your writing career. They will offer flexible hours. You can choose what you want to work. Now, as far as, do you have what it takes? They are looking for someone with excellent grammar skills, strong research skills, someone that is at least 18 years of age, is a U.S. citizen, and have a valid social security number. So this website will not hire outside of the U.S. This is only for U.S. residents, but you will be able to have access to over 1,300 clients. So it will be very simple for you to find a job, create the content, and then get paid. Another beginner work from home job is to become a phone agent. You can work for companies like LiveOps that are always looking for beginners to work from home. You are hired as a self-employed virtual contact center agent. You are responsible for managing your own taxes. Now, as far as basic requirements, you will need to be at least 18 years of age, have a high school diploma, and you must be a resident and authorized to work in the United States. Most of the work will require a USB headset, while others may only require a cell phone and or digital landline. So it just depends on the client that you work for. Another company that you guys can check out is Upcall. This company allows you to earn extra money from home. The pay is very low. You can earn around $10 to $11 per hour. I would only treat this as a part-time income. It is really simple to get started. You will create your profile and then you will start making calls and then you will earn money. Applying with Upcall only takes 5 minutes and they will respond to you within a few days. At that point, you will be able to start making calls. So it is really easy to get started. I really hope you guys enjoy all of the beginner jobs that I've shared today. All of these companies will hire pretty fast, so go ahead and apply today and also share with your family and friends. Until next time, guys, take care. If you are looking for more ways to make money from home as a beginner online, make sure you pick up my guide, 20 beginner-friendly ways to make money online with 150 companies. I made sure that I did all the research for you guys. I researched over 150 companies that you guys can be able to sign up with, apply with. Also, you will be able to learn different ways to avoid scams, how to identify if a company is legitimate or not, different sites that you can be able to check. You will find a lot of good nuggets in this video, whether you are a teen stay-at-home mom, you are retired, and you're just wanting to transition to working from home. So make sure you pick up that guide. I'll leave my link in the description box below. I appreciate you guys for watching. Take care, guys.